Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the USDJPY pair, which is showing some really interesting price action. In the short term, it looks like the bears are still firmly in control. We've seen the pair test the distribution area after a failed attempt to push higher, suggesting that sellers are stepping in with force. This is a classic sign that the recent upward momentum just couldn't hold, and now we're seeing the consequences of that weakness. Let's zoom in a bit to the 4-hour chart, because this is where the real story is unfolding. The price is currently wrestling with a critical resistance level, which is a fair value gap. For those who aren't familiar, a fair value gap, or FVG, represents an inefficiency or imbalance in the market. Often, price will pull back to these zones to rebalance before continuing its original move. Right now, USDJPY is testing the upper boundary of this H4 FVG, and this is a make or break moment. A strong rejection from this level would be a huge confirmation for the bears. It would tell us that sellers are defending this zone aggressively and are ready to push the price much lower. So what are we watching for? The key signal will be how the price reacts in the coming sessions. If we see a decisive rejection from this fair value gap, with bearish candles forming and momentum shifting downwards, it's a strong signal that the downside continuation is on. Bears will be looking to break through recent support levels, potentially targeting the next major swing low. The failure to sustain the earlier rally, combined with this test of a key resistance area, has created a high probability setup for sellers. The market is essentially telling us that the path of least resistance is to the downside, at least for now. We're at a pivotal point, and a breakdown from here could open the door for a significant bearish move. Of course, trading always carries risks, and it's essential to have a solid plan. A surprising break and close above this fair value gap would invalidate the bearish setup and could signal that buyers are regaining control. But based on the current structure, the odds are favoring the sellers. We'll be watching this H4 chart very closely for that rejection. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more market breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.